Hi, how are you today? Today I'll be doing some algebra, just collecting like terms, paying attention to those negative signs outside of brackets and so on. So here's the first question, and what I do with this kind of questions, basically I look for like terms. So 4 and -3 are like terms. Now -6a, 12a, and -a. Remember, there's a 1 there that we don't write. These are like terms. And then anything that has a square, like the a here, a squared, the 4a squared, and -2a squared, they're like terms. So what I do, all I need to do is just add like terms. You don't have to really bring them together, write them besides one another and all of that. You don't need to do all of that. So the 4 and the -3, they are like terms. Sorry, I forgot to underline the 1 here. And also 1 is like terms with this. So I'm going to do this, this, and this. That's the first thing. So you go 4. You don't go minus here because this is not the sign that is belong to the 3. So what you have to do, you go 4 minus 3. That's 1. And then you jump, and this is another like term. So you have 1 there. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's done. And that there, these are done right now. Okay, now you go to the a's. You know, you have this one, and that one. So you have -6a, you jump, plus 12a, that will give you +6a, minus 1a, +6a minus 1a will give you plus 5a. And now we have the a squares. So now it's a squared here. You jump, and it's plus 4a squared, that gives you 5a squared, and then you jump there. 5a squared minus 2a squared is plus 3a squared. So here is the second question. The second question here, let's talk about the brackets. Okay, this brackets here, even though they have it there, it has no purpose whatsoever. It doesn't change anything. This brackets you could do with or without. So I'm just going to rewrite this again as 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Now, how about this brackets? This brackets definitely has a purpose. Why? Because you have a negative right in front of this brackets. And therefore, this negative is going to change all the signs inside. So the 8 is positive, so it becomes -8x squared. This is -3x, the negative will change it to plus 3x. And this negative here changes that positive to -4. When there's a negative in front of the brackets, we call it a sign changer. So it changes every sign outside of the brackets. And that's why there's a purpose for this brackets. But this is useless. You don't even have to stop. Even the question doesn't have to include this. In some textbooks, they include these brackets. Just know they're just there for show, but they don't serve any purpose. Okay, now again, you do the same thing. You collect like terms. So underline like terms the same way. So the x squares will have a line. And then anything with an x, we're just going to put a wiggly line. And anything that doesn't have a variable, I'm just going to throw kind of a curve on top of it. So now you go 3x squared minus 8x squared. Okay, so just remember, it's not the sign that you read for the 3x squared. When you go 3x squared, you don't go plus, you go 3x squared, and then you jump, and it's minus 8x squared, which gives you -5x squared. Now you have 5x here and the 3x, so 5x plus 3x gives you plus 8x. And then it's the -2 here. It's -2. You jump, and it's -4. -2 minus 4 gives you -6. And that's it. That's all we're going to do for collecting like terms. The most important thing is when you have a negative right here. If it was a plus, it wouldn't change any sign inside here. But when it's a negative, it changes all the signs inside the brackets. Okay. Again, thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with others so they could benefit. This channel is for you, is to help all these kids that struggle with math see math a lot better and understand it a lot better so they could succeed, because success in learning is success in life. Thank you. Bye-bye.